My name's Jo and I'm a user researcher. I would say that Agile has really enhanced my role. Research and Agile have kind of gone hand in hand for me. I've not done them separately, but I think doing research in an Agile way has certainly changed the way I think about it, and I think it enables me to be a lot more creative than I would be in a more sort of traditional sort of waterfall project setting. I think it really helps me to just do things in the way that I think's best rather than to some kind of set methodology or, routine, I guess. I think the main challenges for me have been sort of the how research fits into what the rest of the team are doing. I think aligning your design sprints with what's going on in a research space and what you can fit into a sprint, because research takes quite a lot of planning and organising, and sometimes your lead-in times, especially if you've got to do procurement, can be quite lengthy, and so trying to align that with the sprint cycle and make sure that you're in the right place with your research compared to where your devs or your architects are can be quite tricky, but it's just something you have to work at. You don't get it right first time or probably even fourth time. You just keep working at it and get somehow come together in the end. I think the main benefits of Agile for me are sort of, as I said, really, it's that flexibility and creativity. Agile is, a toolbox really of stuff that you can use and ways that you can do things, and you're not going to do every single thing in every project, and you're probably not going to do the same things on different projects. So I think that ability to sort of pick and choose what works for you is really beneficial. Listen to your user research, obviously. Make sure you don't listen to that in isolation though. There are other things that can be really helpful. So I work really closely with social researchers and with analysts. So, that coming together of all the available information I think is really important. User research is generally a sort of qualitative, slower to build research. So, there are other ways to get answers to things. So I think work in partnership with others, and I think do it your way, be brave really. Don't be afraid to do something a little bit different or take a risk.